Let's try this. Let's plug this in here and then turn on the water here to the left, cold hot water. Alright, and hopefully this will work, guys. Okay, power, normal. There we go. It's turning. What's going on? There! Okay guys, here we go. This is my first attempt to repair this Whirlpool HE washing machine. This is the filter, and if you take a look at it, we're gonna be cleaning it. So this is the front cover, whereas other Whirlpool washing machine, it's at the back. So this is at the front here. Here we go. And this is what it looks like. So if you see this one, this is the filter. I believe this is where all the junks are stored here. So hopefully I can twist this and then remove all the junks there, and maybe that's the one causing the drainage problem. So we're gonna twist it. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I wonder why it's not working, right? That's full of junks. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Look. Look at this. What is this? Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. That is why. Imagine this inside the filter of this washing machine. That is why it can no longer filter it, because it's already covered with all these junks here. Holy smokes. See? We don't need to buy a new washing machine. Hopefully this will work. Okay? This will save us 1,400 Canadian dollars. Is it a penny or a toonie? Oh my goodness. Needles, hairpins, you name it. Zipper. Ooh, stinky. Another pin, hairpin, another hairpin. Oh my goodness. Can you see it? Sorry for those guys who are eating, but hopefully this can help you guys repair your filter. At least we know where to open the filter. Another hairpin, hairpins, hair, what, dog hairs, hairpin, buttons. Oh my goodness, hairpins, lots of hairpins. So guys, before you wash your clothes, this is another tip to prevent any clogging of your filter. Try to remove all what's in the pocket. Like this, hairpins could have been prevented, but we will not. Right? So that's why. So another tip is to wash it from time to time. Maintenance every 6 months. Right? So we need to wash this, soak it in the water, clean it. So imagine all of this. That is why sometimes the junks here. Of course, I changed my mind. There's a little bit of residue junks in here. You just have to put this one there, so it will suck all, it will sip all the water in there, right? Like that. Use this one here to remove it. There we go. Another one. Right? Holy smokes. It's another day again, my friend, and I got another nut. Oh, it's here. I'm excited. And hopefully this will work, right? Bring this one. Back here. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Oh. There. See? Alright. Here we go. Oh goodness. It's hard. I guess I need to do this one first. Wait, I need to remove this one first. do cleaning here. Need to and then there's this one here. See it? Start to put back now. Hold on. Whew. Remove your gloves, of course. And then, so what I did is I put this wood here. If you can see it, right? It will elevate, right? Let's see if it's gonna work, right? Let's try this. Let's plug this in here and then turn on the water here to the left, cold hot water. All right, and hopefully this will work, guys. Okay, power, normal. There we go. It's turning. What's going on? There! Cheers!